Today, let's explore the word appearance. It's powerful because it shapes first impressions every day. Appearance means how someone or something looks on the outside. It can also mean how something seems at first. A common mistake is confusing appearance with appearance of meaning showing up somewhere. Remember, here it is about looks or how things seem. You can say improve your appearance, false appearance, or appearance matters. It often pairs with verbs like change, notice, or create. Her appearance surprised everyone. The appearance of the sky showed a storm was coming. Try to keep a neat appearance at work. His happy appearance hid his sadness. Anna felt nervous about her appearance at the party. But when she smiled, everyone loved how confident she looked and approached her. Think about appear, which is inside appearance. It helps you remember it's about what you see or what shows up. Now you know appearance well. Notice appearances around you today and use the word in your next conversation.